Yes, umurebo wa KR Media News Center webare kubano jeno miss not following amukutugwetu gwa YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok ntubaturuho kandi bani kujanti mazima ico kwano kora cyo cyamana ora kureze batu bafana umutsagwamani akantu atunga umwesongozi okuruga umucyanga cyetu abanyarwenzururu mwasinja abanyakaseso tunabanzire kuseba tunawuto umwana wetu mwala wetu kandi tunemwende mbere tura kwa tugamba nawe zikatura hanuya twaturia press conference ya Spice Diana kandi nawe yizao naza kubana umwara abena James kwana performing aho twakubantu mbuzo kaceda chikankibira twakoreho den abasukwana tugambirana na plan zede zaine koko arona atamba ku njo miso twakwakira
mwe kunyakira mazina nibanyeta Heli Baibe mama ya mama kuruga kasese ndio Okweshongora an artist ngama baramukinyo bose abanyakasese mwasinja libyayu abanyabara nabakura
nabo mwabitro
abanabo kwa bitro kwa stretcher nzori ngama baramukinyo bose
na wasinja elimba ndeke kuseva by the way music ye kasese wabiriro kwa nano kwa trop
wasinja elisima we are trying
music akakora kuno korabona na T Paul Spice Diana bya barahanu ya wene koko yetebekanisa kugira ngo nawe okore na okora kozi yagira ngo nakwa nakuru mu Western region.
I'm very willing. I mean it's an opportunity. It's a big chance. Yeah.
Dene chindi twenda kumanyaho twenda kumanya ngo music yewe sayeji orono uzanka yako twenda kurangu yabasakwana rugwa kuriya kandi kupushingana na kunu yabasakwanezana na kunu yabasakwanezana no mu central noza kuchikoro.
First of all, I have a new album. Ngachikora for almost 2 years. It's an album of 15 songs. Efurichide. It was out in October 23rd last year, 2022. And I'll say it's not doing bad. It's doing good. And I'm expecting a lot from it. Collaborations, remixes, Okweshongora and Nawe version goes from different parts of Uganda, I mean Western Uganda and Uganda at large. So if I get what I'm expecting, like collaborations with other artists, big artists than me, I think I can be able to move the music from either from where it is to some other level.
Tunajero miso murebo wa KR Media News Center nda kumanya na kureba no nyira no yesongora sente zizwiremu uriyo mufumbo ningatora mfumbo.
My love life is garari, like I don't talk it out.
Toko na bamanyangu wao singo ningatora singo.
But when the right time comes, I'll talk it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Takwenda gamba ibe kumukwataho konkanchi baciri kirungi twaso kwantu kimanya onengirango abwensonga za family abinjira batakwenda kubiteka on media. Tukwenda kumarira in plan 2023.
2023 it's a plan of pushing my album because it's very new. No, my album, it's not that easy to push it to people. This is not a one song thing. It's 15 songs, so zine kujenda like other songs do. So I have a lot to do for that. So that is what I'm doing. Kivuru video to video. I'm releasing video per song, video every month till they're all done. So I'm going to work on my album, pushing it. Yeah.
Ebiro na chuma chamuka kasona umurebi ninga sifani wawe asubireke.
I'll say expect the best kaza kubatera muziki haza mwize like you come and support us. I mean come and support the talent. Yeah, we can't be there without you. I mean we perform for you people. Yeah.
Tunomurangiro ono muyimbo mwaruhira onaute plan erimbo omwarongo giant
nganumba mwaluyira but singanimu mixinga. I mix most of my songs on my album. Sina mixing ness ndishandem ngolwanda olusumbwe and some other languages. It's a mixture of languages.
Message yawo okwa fani wawo.
To every fan out there, I thank you so much for the work. I thank you so much for supporting my music. Abakumpajira mwena nimba sima mnonga habokuba. I mean, we can't do this without you guys. Your support yenyu niye kutwara mwisho. Like we push with your support. So thank you so much. Expect the best from me as usual. Yeah.
Mukyana enda kulonda music yawe na gisanga kai.
My music is on every platform, streaming platforms, Audiomack, Boomplay, YouTube. It's on our website, cantamusic.com. That one who wants to purchase, everywhere. Spotify, TikTok, yeah.
Sinja kusibu Nawe tumasinja erangira umurebo tabira misono kwano kwasaganya mpora webara kwano je nomso kwano rebo takaba kona subscribinga za music yitu so kwanje nomso kwara kantu kwereza binje munonga no twatwine nsonga yobwire utakarugaho.